Hemisphere and a cone have circular bases of equal circumferences and have been connected at their bases as shown in the figure. The diameter of the base of the hemisphere is 6 centimeters and the total height of the figure is 6 centimeters. What is the total volume in centimeters cubed of the cone and hemisphere? So we can break this up. So first we're going to find the volume of the hemisphere. Right? If the diameter is 6 centimeters, so if diameter equals 6 centimeters, diameter also equals to r, so 6 equals to r, we get our radius as 3. So the radius is 3. Now, let's find the volume of the hemisphere. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So now all we have to do is substitute the 3 for the r. So we get volume equals 4/3 pi 3 cubed. This is the volume of a sphere, not a hemisphere. First, we'll find the volume of a sphere and divide it by 2 to get the volume of a hemisphere. So, volume equals 4 pi over 3 times 27 pi. Simplifying it, and then we get volume equals 36 pi. And this is a sphere, but we want a hemisphere. So we divide it by 2 and we get volume as 18 pi. So hemisphere, we're just going to remember it's 18 pi centimeters cubed. Now let's find the volume of a cone. So a volume of a cone is V equals pi r squared, height over 3. So we know the radius is 3, and all we need to do is find the height. So this is the tricky part, sort of. This whole diagram is, the height is 9 feet, but we just want to know the height of the cone. So to find the height of the cone, what we have to do is do 9 minus 3, which gives us 6, and that's our height. And if you're wondering how that's our height, it's because this is a circle, right? And this is the radius. This can also be the radius. This can also be the radius. This and this. Like, I'm referring to, like, that's the radius, that can be the radius, that can be the radius, that can be the radius, or that can be the radius. Like, pretend it's like all like even. So it's the same situation with a hemisphere. So this could be the radius, this could be the radius, or this could be the radius, or this could be the radius, or this. So any of these points could be the radius. So this thing is also 3. That's the radius of 3. So that's why we do 9 minus 3 to get our height. So now let's solve. Volume equals pi radius squared times 6 over 3. Then we get volume equals pi 9 times 2. Volume equals 18 pi. Now we have the volume of a cone and the volume of a hemisphere. Now all we have to do is add them to get the total volume. So 18 pi plus 18 pi gives us 36 pi. And that's our answer.